To begin with, if you're going to create a new storage group, make sure that you're logged in as a member of the Exchange Server Administrators role, and you also have to be part of the local administrators group. To start with, here we are in the Exchange Management Console. From the navigation tree, what we're going to do is expand server configuration, and we'll select Mailbox. Before creating the storage group, you would have to select the server that you would want to create that storage group on. In our environment, we only have the one server, but in your environment, you might have multiple servers, and you would need to select that server from the results pane before you went ahead and created the storage group. Now here in the Work pane, if we expand out the Actions menu, you'll notice we have the option New Storage Group. If we select that link, it brings up the New Storage Group wizard. So we have the server name. We have to indicate a storage group name, and then we're asked where we would like to put our log files and our system path. If we click Browse, if you remember the discussion about storage architecture, the idea is to take your log files and place them on a separate drive, a drive other than the one that's holding the operating system or the Exchange Server application files themselves. So if we look here, we have an additional drive, and we have a folder that we created on that drive, and that's where we'd like to put our log and system files. You'll notice here that there are options to enable local continuous replication at this time. We're going to save that for a later lesson. So if we click New, and there we see that the storage group has been created. If you wanted to copy the Exchange Management Shell command that was used behind the scenes by the wizard in order to create the storage group, you can hit Control-C and it copies the Exchange Management Shell command. We click Finish. Now as you can see, that server has an additional storage group. At this time there's no database, just the storage group itself, but we'll be adding the database soon enough. So I hope you found that informative, and I'll see you in the next lesson.